Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will explain you how the silver price has moved in the last week and how the silver price can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of silver, you can see that the price of silver is moving now. As of now, what we have seen after 2022, that the price has moved in this particular zone. After this particular zone, we have seen some profit booking might have come in this particular zone, or a breakout had happened. So we have seen it made a low of around 21.972, and from there we have seen some green candle forming in this particular zone, so made a high of around 22.433. okay, so what we can see in the next week. Before that, if you have any doubt regarding silver position, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, or a mail ID I have given in the description. Please watch the full video, then you will understand silver is working. And if you wish to join my Telegram channel, link I have given in the description, you can join. See, now if you look at the chart, because price, see, fundamentals can be wrong otherwise, but these fundamentals are based on this price. You can see whatever the chart is showing is because of those numbers. Okay, so chart cannot lie you. So what you are showing in the screen, that is what is the real truth. So what you have to understand is follow the charts. Okay, so this is very important. That is the real truth, and whatever outside information you are getting, that may be true, but what you are looking at the screen, that is very important for you. Okay, and that is the real truth. So what you have to do is you have to follow proper price action, I would say. Okay, and proper risk management, then only will be high chances of making out good profit. Okay, before that, if for a long term investor, I will suggest that investing for a longer view is high, but if you are trading, also always suggest to be in the price action strategies. Okay, so now look at the chart. If you look at the chart, what we can see, that it is moving in this particular zone. After this particular zone has break, we have seen this particular green candle has formed and made a high of around 23.349. after that, we have seen it, the next candle has moved upside and moved at a level of 22.433. suppose if the price sustain this level, above a level of 22.363, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 22.427. okay, and suppose if the price sustain above this level, then we can see it can go higher to a level of 22.467, and if it goes above this level, then we can see it can go further higher to a level of 22.536. suppose if the price sustain up this level, then we can see it can go further higher to a level of 22.554, and if the price goes up this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 22.603. okay, and if the price sustain above this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 22.669. okay, and if the price goes above this level, then we can see a level of 22.754, and if it sustain this level, then probability of going towards 22.839 is very high, and then we can see that this particular range will move upside, and from there we can see it can go further higher to a level of 22.900. okay, why we can see, because then there is a probability of a cup pattern forming, so we can see a probability of touching 23.425 is very high, and this level is already tested here, so chances are high we can see it can go further upside to a level of 23.736. okay, and from there we can see it can go further higher to a level of 24.117. okay, and from there we can see it can go and touch a level 24.482 also. okay, and I've already explained you that you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, so you can attend any of this. Link I've given in the description. So now if it goes above this level 24, then we can see it can go further high, because then we can see a trend will move upside for silver. Suppose if the price didn't sustain this level, then probability of going down towards 22.254 is high, and from there then it will come in this particular zone again. okay, once if it comes in this particular zone again, then we can see it can go further fall to a level of 22.040, and if it didn't sustain above this level, then we can see a probability of touching to a level of 21.912 is high. So if it comes close to this level, then we can see a bounce back at this particular level. okay, because this is a strong support, so we can see a bounce back, or if it comes again this particular zone, then we can see it can go fall further to a level of 21.777. okay, and if it goes below this level, then we can see it can fall further to a level of 21.447. okay, so suppose if the price goes below this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 435, and once if it comes close to this level, and these levels are already tested here, so chances of going down is very high, and probability it can fall further to a level of 21.329, and if it goes below this level, then we can see it can fall further to a level of, I'll show you, see this level is already this is a very strong support. If it goes below a level of 21.420, then we can see it can go and directly touch a level of 19.97t. okay, and then we can see further fall in the price of silver. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Thank you.